good evening mga guys, mga kasuki. Nandito ako ngayon sa Barangay Batasan Hills. Ayan, kung saan ay 41 founding anniversary ng Barangay Batasan Hills. Ayan mga guys, mga kasuki. Ayan, meron tayo ditong mga tinda-tinda kung baga upo sa Batasan ito.
Tawagin na po natin para sa mga production number.
Ayan, shoutout sa mga staff ng Barangay Batasan Hills.
2024 in their production number.
Ayan o. Yung mga ating mga masisipag ng mga staff ng barangay. So mga guys, sa 41st founding anniversary ng Barangay Batasan Hills, meron din tayo ditong ugbo sa Batasan. Ayan mga guys. Andito yung mga kainan-kainan, ayan. Mga tindahan. Ayan mga guys, kasuki. Ayan po. 41 founding anniversary ng Barangay Batasan Hills, mga guys, mga kasuki. Ayan, shout out, hi, ayan. Tingnan nyo po sa vlog ito po. Ayan, mga guys, mga kasuki. So, ito yung siya.
Our lovely candidates for their production number.
Mga kasuki. Sa ngayon, may program tayong ginaganap, no, na at ma'am yata ito, no. Ayan, mga guys. May mga kainan-kainan dito. Ayan. Pag bumili kayo, ayan, pwede kayong umupo dito sa mga kainan-kainan. Ayan, mga guys, mga kasuki. Ayan, meron tayo ditong nakitang pagkilala natin. Ayan mga guys, so shout out tingnan nyo tingnan nyo dito, yan i-upload to, i-upload. Ayan, si Pwesto ni Ganda. Ayan. Pag pumunta kayo rito, may mga kainan-kainan mga guys, mga kasuki. Yan o. Ayan, pa-shoutout. Tingnan nyo dito naka-upload dito shoutout. Yan mga. Yun o. Subscribe.
Subscribe kita tayo.
Thank you. Ayan. Saan kayo pumapasok?
Bananan tayo.
Yun! Shout out Batasan National High School! Yun o! Yan. Shout out sa kanila. Yan mga magiging bago kong mga subscribers. So yun, dito muna tayo habang magko-cover tayo maya-maya doon sa Hot Mom. Ayan mga guys, mga kasuki. So ayun yung program doon. Ito, sa SB Park ito mga guys, mga kasuki. May type mo lang ng tama. Okay, nakaupo ako sa e-bike. Ayan, thank you ano ko kayo. Bukas naka-upload na to. Yan, shout out sa mga poging taga Batasan National High School. Yes, okay. Ayan mga guys, mga kasuki, tayo, ayan. Ayan, napupunta na tayo doon sa mga main program. Maraming audience tayo mga guys, mga kasuki. main coverage mga guys, mga kasuko.
dito po sa ating barangay. No po, sana po, huwag po kayong magsawa na suportahan at tulungan ang ating barangay para po may sakatuparan ang mga ganitong programa. No po. And of course po, bilang po chairman po ng BDRRMC, nagpapaalala na din po ako, February po ngayon, Valentine's, then pagpasok po ng March, buwan ng kababaihan, at syempre po, kasabay po niyan ay ang mainit po na temperatura, syempre po ang pagpasok po ng Fire Prevention Month. So sana po, mag-ingat po tayo dahil ngayong February pa lang po, 3 case na po ng sunog ang meron po dito sa ating barangay. So sana po, iwasan po natin po yung mag-iwan ng mga saksakan, and of course yung mga bata po, ilayo po natin sa paglalaro ng mga posporo at lighter na rin po. So ganun pa man po, i-enjoy po natin yung gabing ito, at congratulations po sa ating pong mga hatmang. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po ang taga-barangay Batasan Hills.
Ayan, once again, palakpakan po natin lahat. Pagkawal, Pahala, Bulaga!
Eh, siyempre partner, tuloy-tuloy na natin, bigyan na rin po natin ng pagkakataon upang bumati sa ating ngayong gabi. Ang kapatid po ni Senator Bato de la Rosa, walang iba, ang napakapogi,
Napakatangkad!
kagad,
Wagi!
de la Rosa!
Sige na, patawarin ko kayo dahil so sa ating lahat po ng mga nandito na gabi-gabi ay sumusuporta. Magandang gabi, maraming salamat. At syempre sa ating mga volunteers na nandito, sa ating mga purong leaders na Cluster 5, salamat sa inyo. Syempre, yung mga bisita natin, taga-Ali 6, taga Batasan Vendors Association, no? Magandang gabi sa inyo. At syempre yung KMK na walang sawa, umpisa pa lang, no? At nung kagabi, Ginoong Batasan naman yung ginanap. At nung nakaraang gabi, yung pong ating Trans Batasan, no? Dito lang pinapakita na ang Barangay Batasan ay talaga pong pinapractice yung gender equality. Walang pinipili. Walang iniiwanan, di ba? Lahat, welcome dito sa Barangay Batasan. At syempre, kaya ngayong gabi, meron tayong gandang hatmang ay dahil dyan. No? Hindi ibig sabihin na may asawa na, may anak na, hindi na pwedeng ipakita ang kanilang kakayahan. Kaya nandito nabuo yung gandang hatmang. At alam niyo po, hindi pa ako kagawad. Ako na ang nag-propose dito. No? Kaya pasalamat naman kayo sa akin. Pumalakpak naman kayo. Siyempre sa ating panel of judges na nandito, na yung isa ay naka-live pa, si MB Pod, naka-live. Maraming salamat sa pagbigay ninyo ng oras sa amin, ma'am. Oo. At sa mga kamag-anak ng ating mga barangay officials na nandito, huwag po kayong magsawa na tumulong sa ating barangay. Huwag po kayong magsawa na makiisa sa anumang programa na ibababa ng ating
Ang partner, ito na nga, alam natin na talagang kahit sila ay may anak na, ay mapapakita natin sa atin ang kaangking kaseksihan ng ating mga gandang hatmang.
Tama ka dyan! So mga kabarangay, handa na po ba tayong lahat? Parang hina!
Ang hina partner, tanungin muli natin, handa na ba kayong makita ang kaseksihan ng ating gandang hatmang?
At dahil dyan, handang-handa na daw yung ating mga kandidata para sa ating swimwear competition. Tawagin na natin, partner, simulan mo na!
Ayan, muli po ang ating gandang hatmang in the swimwear competition, starting with candidate number 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it a hand for Gandang Hatmang number 1.
All my ladies, wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back.
Gandang Hatmang mom number 1 is Gandang Hot Mom, Michelle Herrero. She is a mother of 3 children, and one of her children have already finished college with a degree of computer secretariat. At this moment, her youngest child is the only one studying. She is a proud financial advisor and also an airline ticket booker. She also likes to tell her co-mothers to focus in life and their family, because she believes that our family might be a witness, but our family will also be our strength. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Gandang Hot Mom, Michelle Herrero. And now, let's give it a hand for Gandang Hot Mom, Shai Ruiz. She is a 34-year-old with a 1 child, and she is the young
All my ladies.
Jenica Volante is a mother of 3 and a full-time housewife. In her free time, she is an online seller of dishwashing liquid, chili oil, and bagoong alamang. She believes that as a full-time mom, we should not depend everything to our husband. Instead, we should also make a way to have our own money. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Gandang Hot Mom, Jenica Volante.
Oh yeah.
Give it a hand for Gandang Hot Mom, Jeneline Mangarin. Gandang Hot Mom, Jeneline Mangarin is a single mother of 2 children. She has raised her children alone through live selling and a receptionist. She has finished educational course of computer literacy and also took information technology. However, she was not able to finish it since she had focused in fulfilling her responsibility as a mother. And now she has found her other half, and that has helped her in life, and now living the best with her first child, and now a proud mother of 3. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Gandang Hot Mom, Jeneline Mangarin.
Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me mentor you. Well, some say I'm bossy, cause I am the boss. Buy anything, I don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm Monte Rustino. If you're the lieutenant, I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, get to the right, drop it down low, take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Left, straight to the right, drop it down low, take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction.
And now let's give it a hand for Gandang Hot Mom, Wendy May Abranilla. Is a single mother of 2 beautiful girls. She had become a mom at a young age, and she had raised her children alone. She stand as a father, teacher, and a friend to her children. She is a full-time mom and a full-time model. She's doing all of this for her children. She is a strong woman since she survived all of this alone. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Gandang Hot Mom, Wendy May Abranilla.
Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me interview. Well, some say I'm bossy 'cause I am the boss. Buy anything, I don't care what it. Bitch, I don't need introduction.
And now let's move forward to Gandang Hot Mom Joanne Bandukilio.
Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple. All the ladies.
Joanne Bandukilio is a mother of 3 children. She is a Zumba instructor and wants to inspire her co-moms to be healthy. Her firstborn just finished her study with a degree of information technology. Her youngest is 4 years old, and that is her purpose as of this moment, to raise a beautiful child in the future. She is also a proud motor rider, as it boosts her adrenaline and proves how strong woman she is. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Gandang Hot Mom Joanne Bandukilio.
Wow, some say I'm bossy 'cause I am the boss. Buy anything.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, together with her youngest daughter, ladies and gentlemen, that is Gandang Hot Mom Joanne Bandukilio. And now let's move forward with Gandang Hot Mom Rajin Bulyar. And now let's move forward with Gandang Hot Mom Joshim Lidesma. Joshim Lidesma is a mother of 5 children composed of 4 boys with only 1 girl. She is married for 12 years already. She is proud male technician. She can say that her love life is not that easy, but whenever she sees her children, everything looks perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Gandang Hot Mom Joshim Lidesma. Now let's give it a hand for our last but not the least candidate, Gandang Hot Mom Geraldine Sagrado.
All my ladies. All my ladies.
Geraldine Sagrado is a mother of 3 children. She is a housewife, fulfilling all the duties and responsibility as a full-time housewife. In her free time, she is attending Zumba sessions and events. She is a proud fashion show model. She admits that it's hard to become a mother, but it is the most fulfilling job that everyone could ever have. She loves joining pageants and playing chess. Ladies and gentlemen, Gandang Hot Mom Geraldine Sagrado.
Need introduction. Follow my simple.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, our sexy candidate